What's up guys, it's Rudely back again with another video. So in this video I'm going to teach you how you can connect your Retell AI account to your Twilio account in order to get a phone number. So Retell AI already gives you the possibility to buy a phone number directly from them. It's going to cost you $2 a month. But the issue is when you need to get your phone number verified, and by verified I mean getting Retell AI to certify that that phone number belongs to a certain company or a certain person, which is going to make your number less likely to be put on the scam list if you want to make calls, whether it is for cold calling or just to do lead qualification for your business, or just to do any kind of lead nurturing process with your business. You're gonna have to pay Retell AI $100 a month. This is a problem. So this is why in this video I'm going to teach you how you can link Twilio to Retell, where you don't have to pay that $100 a month, because with Twilio you can get that number verified. It's already within the plan that you already paid for, and on top of that it just gives you a little bit more flexibility. If you want to use that number to also send SMS like booking confirmation to your clients, it's better to have Twilio instead of buying a number directly from Retell AI. As much as I love Retell, I think this is something that you have to know about. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So the first thing you need to do is go to Twilio, and then we're going to search for Elastic SIP. And then we're gonna choose this one, Elastic SIP trunks. Okay, now here we're going to create a new SIP trunk. So we click on this friendly name. Let's call it Retell 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, great. So we create this one. So here we have to enable a few features. So we have to enable call recording, record stream no. We have to enable secure trunking, call transfer, if you want to make any call transfer when you're doing your outbound calls. Here we have to enable PSTN transfer, and then the symmetric RTP is already enabled, which is good. And then we have to click on save. Feel free to pause the video if you think that I'm going too fast and there's anything that you need to check. Feel free to just pause the video and go back and watch. And then here we're going to go to termination. And in termination, we're gonna create a termination SIP URI. It can be something simple like your name or the name of your client, whatever it may be. So here I'm just gonna write my name, Rudely. And then here we need to have a credential list, and we also need to have IP access control list. To do so, we already have some steps already outlined for us in the Retell AI documentation. So here, this is the name, and then here you need to put a username, and here you need to put a password. So it's very, very important to always remember your username and your password. My username is gonna be Joseph Rude, and then as password, let me write the same thing. I'm gonna write Joseph Rude. Remember, you always need to copy your username and copy your password somewhere safe, so you can always remember what they are, because you're gonna need it later in order to link your Twilio account with your Retell AI account. So here I'm gonna click on create, and then here we need to put IP access control list. This is also something that Retell AI provide to us in the documentation. So here the first one is default ACL1, and then those are the parameters. So I need to go back and I call it default ACL1. I have it here because it's something that I've already done, obviously, since I'm doing it for you now. And the parameters are 4 zeros. Don't forget to put the dots. And then here we're gonna put 1. We click on create ACL. By the way, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Our goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by March, and I know this is completely achievable if every last one of you who's watching this video subscribe to the channel. So take a pause, go and subscribe to the channel right now, because there are gonna be a lot more tutorials coming out soon. I'm giving mad value to you guys in those kind of videos, so please go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. Let's continue. So for this one, it's 128.0.0.0, and then the other parameter is 1. So we can just go ahead and click on create ACL. So we have our IP access control list. We also have our credential list. We're going to click on save. So the next thing we need to do is to go on origination. So here you see that Twilio is telling us that this trunk has no origination URI. So we need to click on this one to add a new one. Retell AI also provide us with 2 options in the documentation. The first one is if you want to use toll-free numbers. And the second one is if we want to use TCP as the transport protocol. I believe that everybody's gonna try to use the toll-free number, so you just can go ahead and copy this, and we go and we paste it here, and we click on add. We're going to need to add numbers to this SIP trunk, so I'm gonna click on this one. So here, what we need to do is we need to go to Twilio, click on phone numbers. We click on this. So we have 2 options: to buy a new number or to connect our numbers via SIP trunking, which is what we've done on Twilio. So here we need to put the phone number. So I'm just gonna paste the phone number that I took from Twilio. And here I need to put the termination URI. So here I need to go back to Twilio, go to termination. And I'm just gonna copy this whole thing, and we go back to Twilio, we paste it here, and then here, remember I told you have to always remember the username that you used. In this case, I think it was Rude Judley. If it's not correct, it's not gonna work. And then I think it's Joseph Rude 2000, something like that. And then I'm gonna call this number test, for example. Let's see if it's gonna work. As you can see, the number has been added. I have the option to assign it whether to an inbound call agent or to an outbound call agent. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found it very, very useful. So if you have any question, feel free to go and leave them in the comment. If you want me to do a video about a particular subject, let me know in the comments. I always reply to all of my comments, and I will for sure do a video about it. Also, like this video so we can boost the algorithm, and please help us reach 1,000 subscribers. So if you're watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe right now so we can reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of March. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Stay relentless. Let's keep bringing AI to the people. Peace.